Aloha! Are you interested in learning a free way to create your own drip irrigation system? Well, stay tuned. I talk about it a lot on this channel, bamboo. Bamboo has 1,001 uses, and here is another one, creating your own drip irrigation system for free. We made this undercover grow house that's all screened in to keep the bugs out and the rain out, and now we're growing plants like tomatoes and cucumbers, bell peppers and zucchini, things that didn't really grow well here. But how did we keep this watered without having to do it manually every day? One of the thoughts was going to Home Depot and buying some drip irrigation and setting that up, but that would cost money. And we already have resources here on the homestead. So we took a couple pieces of our bamboo, harvested them, cut them in half, cut the nodes out from the center so that water can run freely, like it's just like a half of a pipe. And then we drilled holes every 12 inches, just like drip tubing. And we created a system, sort of like a marble maze or a domino effect, where the water runs down the gutter, down the chain, gets caught by our bamboo, and then it runs down the bamboo, dropping down in some locations to cross across the other beds, and then continuing on to go out the holes that are drilled into the drip tubing. And you can see it's just dripping down just like normal drip tube, and it works. It's 100% free, and it works. It didn't take any money, just a little bit of ingenuity, thinking outside the box. And here we are with a drip irrigation system, 100% natural, won't have any plastic waste when we're done with this. Believe me, I was a farmer for a while in California. We use lots of drip irrigation, and there was so much of that plastic waste left over every season. It killed me every time to see that. And I am so much happier now to be in a rainy climate where food grows without having to water. But sometimes you have to grow certain crops, especially in these rainy climates, inside a grow house like this in order to make them successful. Why spend the money and hurt the environment on that crappy drip tube? Next time you're thinking about growing something where you need some sort of irrigation, give bamboo a thought. It's an amazing plant, and it could do so many things, more things than any of us can ever imagine. Hope you liked this video. Please leave a like down below, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and leave a comment. Let us know what you think about this bamboo irrigation system, or if you have another way of irrigating that you want to share with other people. We'd love to hear it. I know that I am super lazy when it comes to watering, so if there's any tips or techniques that people have to automate their watering that might be all natural and be found from the homestead, love to hear from it. Share down below. Till next time, everybody, aloha.